is a pure installation of MX Linux from late February of 2020, fully updated, but without any optional packages in it except for Mumble. I'm going to install Linux Air Combat on it. I have a folder here containing the archive, the public distribution archive of Linux Air Combat version 7.96, the current version. I have here a terminal window opened into that folder, and I have here their package installer ready to grab other packages as needed, and I suspect we're going to need some additional components that are prerequisites to Linux Air Combat to get this done. Let's start by de-archiving this distribution. I'll right-click, extract here. That creates this new folder here with the source code. I'm going to go there in the terminal window and as you can see, the source code is there. Now, if all of the prerequisites are already present on his machine, I should be able to compile it by simply typing make. Let's try that for starters. Okay, this is what happens when something is missing. It says we need glut.h. I happen to know that's part of the GL utilities. There's a well-known package called freeglut3 that we need, and we also need the development component of that. So I'm going to go to the package manager and search for that. Okay, here it is. I need the runtime, and I need the development package. So we'll install that. So it's getting all the pieces of the freeglut3 and its associated development package so it can compile it into Linux Air Combat and use the results when Linux Air Combat runs. Once that's finished, we'll try the make again and see if it gets farther.